on hold. To say the least, the cat was cold. He said, don't call us, child, we'll call you. I said, you got my number? He said, yeah, I got it when we walked in the door. Don't call us. Don't call us. From a friend of a friend. He said he used to work with you. You remember the all-night creature from Stereo 92? Yeah, I said, could you relate to our quarter track tape? You know, the band performs in the nude. He said, don't call us, child, we'll call you. Paul and George. Anyway, we cut a hit and we toured a bit with the song he said he couldn't use. And now he calls and begs and crawls. It's telephone deja vu. We got percentage points and lousy joints and all the glitter we can use. Mama, so don't call us, now we'll call you.